Hi everyone, my name is Karen. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I can't really talk today. So for today, I'm gonna show you again the bag that I recently unboxed, I think 2 weeks ago, if I remember correctly. So for today is I'm gonna show you guys what fit inside this bag. I'm so sorry if it's a little bit loud in the background. So my kids are in the other room and they're playing right now. So this is the bag. Here's the gorgeous bag. So I'm gonna show you what's gonna fit in here. So I really love this bag. I really enjoy it. So I tried this on my 4-year-old son just to see if it's gonna fit well on the bag on the toddler. So yes, this one really fits well on him. But this is not his bag, okay? I just want to let you know that this is a perfect size for a 4-year-old kid, just in case you guys are planning to buy something for your kids. So this is really a perfect size. So there's a three zippers. So the first one is the front, which is this one, and then we have the inside bag, and then the last one is at the very back, this part. So I'm gonna show you what fits in here. So I have this organizer right here. So mostly what I put in here are just my mask and some lip balms. It's all what's inside. So I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna put it in the main compartment. And then I also have the medium-sized wallet. I'm gonna put that in here as well. And of course, because I have 2 kids, I need boogie wipes for them, so I'm gonna put this one in here as well. And then I also another wipes for my kids, because you know, kids, if you have kids, when they eat snacks or they touch everything, you know, kids are nasty. So make sure that you have, I always have this one handy, so I'm gonna put that one in here as well. And then I do have a sanitizer as well. So it's either I can put it right here on the side pocket, or I can still actually put that inside. So I have my phone right now. I'm using it to record. And then I also have my car keys, which I usually put it on the front zipper. And then I'm thinking what we can put the bag. So I'm just gonna put the Samsung tablet right here to that, just for a demonstration. It really fits. So the tablet still fits in here, but it's a little bit tight, and because of the case, it's kind of hard to so I just want to make sure that it fits in here, but it's gonna get tight because of the case. But I tend not to overpack it, especially with this type of bag, so I'm just gonna take it out. So I'll probably just put my phone in here. So this is what's the inside. Pretty much pack in there and pretty much gets crowded. I do sometimes put some snacks in here as well, because like I said, I have 2 kids. I make sure that I always have snacks in my bag and some water as well. So pretty much that's it. I'm so sorry for the sounds. My kids are so loud right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.